Hello kids. Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn letters M, N and O from ABC. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Let's begin now. M for moon. M for moon. M for money. M for money. M for mango. M for mango. M for milkshake. M for milkshake. M for mouse. M for mouse. N for no. N for no. N for nest. N for nest. N for notebook. N for notebook. N for nuggets. N for nuggets. N for noodles. N for noodles. O for orange. O for orange. O for owl. O for owl. O for octopus. O for octopus. O for onion. O for onion. O for rocks. O for rocks. Thanks for watching my video. Goodbye.